Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Tuesday Atomy of Marinduque Global Center. It's another Tuesday. And let me just share my screen. Welcome, Facebook viewers. And of course, can you see my screen? My better screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Please unmute your mic. And we will start. I'll be your host, Diamond Master Ralim Pilapil Minorca, a nurse based in Baltimore. And before we start, let's do our company motto. So please unmute. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Cherish
Cherish
the spirit,
create
create the vision,
follow
follow
the
the faith, serve in humility.
Adya!
Adya.
Ayan, okay. So, welcome po sa ating Tuesday Atomy. Ang Atomy po ay hindi kulto, but this is our guiding principle in following this business. So, ito po yung pangalan ko. If you wanna find me sa Facebook, yan po yung spelling ng pangalan ko. And I'm a part of the Atomy Atlanta Center USA. Ang account ko po is US account. But since we are global, we can have partners or consumers around the globe. This is the official logo of the Atomy. Kasi previously, yung parang may, ano ba tawag doon? Yung atom, parang gano'n. Yun. So, this is the official logo of Atomy. So, kung wala pa po kayong app, make sure you download. Okay? And since we're live in Facebook, make sure you share this to your friends and loved ones na nahihiyang mag-attend ng Zoom. Ayan. So, let's watch this company profile. This one is from YouTube. Okay, so last week I shared yung company profile from the channel Atomy. You actually can download it and search it. So make sure you follow Atomy USA and Atomy Philippines, at least kung part kayo ng Philippine Atomy System. Okay, pero lahat po ng companies, lahat ng regions ng Atomy, they have their own Atomy profile. So this one is from Atomy USA. So let's watch this.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, is a global multi-level marketing company with a presence across the globe, surpassing 2.2 trillion Korean won in global sales and with a global membership of 15 million. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices. Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products, such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Atomy Hemohim surpassed 2 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. With 19 international patents for a single product, it is forging a unique history in the realm of health functional foods. Absolute Skincare, which has become one of the best-selling cosmetics in the industry with sales of 100 billion Korean won every year since its launch. Absolute Skincare received the King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office in 2021 for the first time in the cosmetics industry, and was selected as world-class product for next generation selected by Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy in 2022. Atomy practices customer-centered management in all its business activities. And such efforts were recognized by the acquisition of Customer-Centered Management certification for 3 consecutive years, which is a unique accomplishment in the industry. Starting with the U.S. branch in 2010, Atomy is a global company that opened 26 branches in Asia, South America, Oceania, Europe, etc., with 15 million members worldwide. In 2023, Atomy opened its EU branch and has plans for global expansion, with a focus on Africa, Latin America, and emerging markets. Atomy's GSGS strategy, which stands for Global Sourcing Global Sales, allows the supply of products that align with the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy through Atomy's global sales network. Atomy's Success System, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual ability. This is the driving force behind Atomy's distinctive growth. As the next generation broadcasting system bridging online and offline realms, the Success Seminar manifests Atomy's vision for members worldwide. It presents a vision of global success that transcends time and space by merging business and culture. The ACTS project has been initiated to cultivate global leaders and empower our active members around the world. Atomy is dedicated to providing full support for fostering global business activities. To achieve absolute quality and absolute price and to ensure commitment to quality from its partners, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of accompanied growth. Atomy strives to minimize its environmental impact across all business activities. Through policies like transitioning products to zero plastic and introducing eco-friendly smart packaging solutions, with the goal of becoming a global eco-friendly leader. Sharing is a mission that all companies must fulfill. As a result of its consistent annual giving for the last 3 years, Atomy has secured the #1 rank in the distribution industry for donations as a percentage of revenue among the top 500 companies in the country. As a result, it has earned various government awards and certifications, including the Government Award for Sustainable Management, Good Donor Award, Family Friendly Company, and Great Place to Work, Korea. Atomy's executives, employees, partnering companies, and members all practice sharing together to improve the lives of all members of society. Whenever sharing is needed around the world, global branches will be united to support happiness for all. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are proud Atomy.
Yes, we are proud Atomy. So napakaganda ng ating company profile. So I've been part of the Atomy system for about 4 years now and natutuwa ako na naging part ako niyang ating company profile. So kung hindi niyo napansin, ako yung yung may purple dress doon sa company profile. So 3 beses ako nag-appear diyan. So medyo artistahin na ako. Hindi, joke lang po. Okay, so we have a lot to cover for today. So let me welcome everyone na nandito sa Zoom. Welcome po sa ating Tuesday Atomy and welcome to all the viewers ng Facebook Live. Pasensya na kung inila-live natin kasi we have to do this service for the Filipino people, and then usually mahina daw ang signal attending the Zoom. So kahit ayaw natin, sige lang, gawin natin para mas marami tayong matulungan. Okay? So we have a special guest speaker. Ayaw niyang tinatawag na special guest speaker siya, but who knows, 'di ba? Ako nga dati nung tinanggihan ko si Atomy, and then who would have known na gagawin kong business and seseryosohin ko ito as a business dito sa Atomy. Okay. So let me welcome you to one of my leaders dito sa Baltimore, Maryland, no other than Sales Master Elpidio Marillo. Okay, the floor is yours.
Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, good morning. Hello, world. That's the word of DM says. Okay, this will be my last presentation here in United States of America. Next week, I will be celebrating my Thanksgiving in the Philippines. I'm open for invitation in the Philippines. You can invite me, use me. And I'm glad and happy to share with you my journey with Atomy. It's a great journey, and it is between life and death, and at the same time, moving forward to a greater positivity. Let me share with you first my screen. Okay. My name is Ping Murillo. They call me Ping. I'm very known as Ping, but I have a very long name, so don't ask for it. It's a very ugly name, but I'm proud of it. Anyway, I do hope that my today's presentation will jive with the subject matter of our DM rally. And it's all about a basic word, push. So I was laughing when I was doing this PowerPoint. I said, what will I do? What can I share? But, all the things that I've been sharing with Atomy is more on my experience doing Atomy for almost 3 years now. Star Master Joseph, let's go back. Let's have a story for today. It may sound corny, but I do hope that I can impart knowledge with you for today. It's just a basic word, push. Because the word push, it connotes so many meanings, millions of meanings and interpretations in our lives. So I would like to give you a story, a very, very childish story. So once upon a time, in a castle, everybody knows what is a castle. There is a king, probably our king, Hangil Park, and has a very beautiful daughter. It resonates that to me. I have only one daughter, and I love my daughter very well. So what the king did is to make a big announcement in the kingdom. What he wants is to find a prince, and that prince will inherit all his wealth, all what he has, and at the same time marry the most beautiful princess that he has. So he made a big announcement in the castle, and everybody was interested. But the king said, before you get the prize, there is a challenge. What is the challenge? The king said, before you will get the prize, before you can marry my daughter, you have to cross the river with 1,000 millions of crocodile. That is the biggest challenge. If you can do that, and you will get the prize. So the time is ticking. Time is the essence. Time always plays an important role in our life. Whatever we do, whatever will progress, it's all about the time. So everybody's scared. So I say, oh, king, how can I cross that river? There is like a hungry crocodiles in that river. But all of a sudden, a man jumped. One of the priests jumped. So what happened? The king was so happy, and there is a winner. And the king called the guy who crossed that river. It's a basic story, but what is the moral lesson that I want to impart to all of you today? Lesson number 1. The winner is Prince Atom. The Prince Atom, he went back to the king and asked the king, "My king, before I will claim my prize, I want to know who pushed me in the river." The king, what? Prince Atom just want a basic question, a basic answer to find out who pushed him for him to be able to cross the river with the thousands of crocodiles. Prince Atom find out his why. Why he needs to do it? Because he wants to survive. He needs to jump over from one crocodile to another, and he keeps to jump and jump and jump so that the crocodile will not be able to eat him, or he will not get drowned. So, very basic. Prince Atom just want to find out who pushed him, and number 2, and he just want to find out the word survive. That is his why. So number 3 moral lesson. If I have to apply that to our mentors in this Atomy, being pushed, especially doing networking business like Atomy, it connotes so different interpretations. There are people who will push us. Sometimes we think that they push us down. It's annoying. It keeps us reminding every time. So sometimes we misinterpret our mentor. But that mentor, we don't realize, is pushing us because he believes in our capacities. He believes in our talent. He believes in the things that we can do. And that is why we have a mentor in this networking. Mentor will always play an important role in our journey to succeed. Because if I have to explain what is mentorship or what is the meaning of mentor, it is in pushing, it provides us to succeed the motivation and accountability necessary to reach goals that might otherwise seem unattainable. It helps us build discipline and growth mindset by encouraging individuals to step outside their comfort zone. This pressure often reveals hidden potential, strengthens problem-solving skills, and fosters sense of achievement when challenges are overcome. So, ladies and gentlemen, please open your hearts and mind. In one of our tools for success is mentor or leaders plays an important role in doing this business. So the word push, no matter what, as long as you know why you are being pushed, that is to elevate your potential, it is a good push. There are 3 major tools in Atomy that we are always being pushed by our CEO, Hangil Park, by our leaders, by our mentors. What are the 3 tools that helps us to be going on to our journey for success? The 8 core habits. My mentor always said, did you do your 8 core? Or our friends in this business always, we remind each other. We are being pushed to do the 8 core habits. Why? Why we have to do the 8 core habits? Because that is that we need to nurture in our brain, in our mind, in our daily activity, so as to have the avenue for us to do more in Atomy. we have the steps to success, the 8 steps to success. We go on technical part, we go on like a business side of this family. The 8 steps to success will lead us, for us, to be more equipped with knowledge, more orientation, so that failure is not the word in doing business. Life scenario, the life scenario, it gives us the opportunity to be the architect of our own life. That's why our CEO Hangil Par says, dream vividly. Because if you dream vividly, whatever you want to achieve in life, not for today, but in the future. So these are the things that we are being pushed. As a reminder, let's do this. It's very basic, simple, organized, and well-planned. So it's just more about mindset. Last 2 weeks ago, I shared about seeding, planting seed. It's also about mindset. And I will summarize that at the end of my slide. Always remember, always remember, human beings are always smarter and wiser than the machines. How will I explain this? In 1804, Richard Trevithick invented the first industrial technology revolution, the train. Oh God, people get mad. They all like mass, what do you call that? Go against this. Because people believe during that time that the train will remove their job. So people think, oh, we're having a train now. We're doing like, in that era, we walk, we just do everything without the train. But be mindful, train creates jobs for everybody. 2, there are things that human being cannot do, especially heavy jobs. Machine, always remember, machine are stronger than human being. Because there are things that machines can only do, but not human being. 3, now we have cell phone. The cell phone that gives us the opportunity to call 1,000, million miles away. We have calculator that can compute faster than the human brain. We have the computers right now, what we're doing. We have the Zoom meeting using our laptop. I'm using my laptop. Cell phone, calculators, laptop. These are all technology machines. But do not worry, ladies and gentlemen. Do not worry, we have this. This is just part of development. But all these things, this makes our job easier. It's part of it. Reminder, cell phone, calculator, laptop, they are not like human being. They don't get mad. They don't get upset. They can solve our problem quickly. Lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay nakakatulong sa atin na wala naman silang pakiramdam, wala naman silang feelings, di ba? But in order for them to be movable, kailangan pa rin nila ang human. Kailangan nila tayo. Pag hindi natin nilagay ang susi sa car, hindi siya tatakbo. Pag hindi natin siya nilagyan ng gasolina, hindi siya tatakbo. So, laptop, calculator, cell phone, they all need chips. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about technologies. Every single minute, every year, there's always a new technology coming out. But what's the biggest difference between human being and this technology or machines? Ladies and gentlemen, just be happy and don't worry. And we know that we have our own goal. We have our own purpose. We know that why we are doing Atomy. Everybody has his own dream. Ang pagkakaiba, the difference between machines, and human being, we have a heart. What is the biggest tool or weapon that we have to do this Atomy business? Because we connect with people and we talk about our hearts. I hope you got the point. Huwag matatakot sa technology. As long as we talk, as long that we share our experience, as long that we believe in our product, and we talk based from our experience, like what happened to me, I will always talk about Himuhim. I will always share about Himuhim because, again, I will say that Atomy is a gift, Himuhim is life. And I will still continue my journey. I will never give up sharing Atomy. And last night, I had a cancer patient. She refused to me when I shared Himuhim because she said that she had all these patches and everything. And I met her last night, and it's her birthday, a 68-year-old woman. And she said, please share with me again your Himuhim. So I said, Tita, it's not because you have that now experiences. So I said, let's talk about it first. Okay? But your heart will always be your weapon to be able to share that to others. We have here the mentors who push us so much. They keep on pushing us. But these are the successful mentors that we have. They are the living testimony. Maniniwala ba tayo hindi? And nandiyan na sila, totoong tao. And I am with this is taken this month. A very humble CEO. The only thing that he does to us is to motivate and lead us or to capture our dreams. Next week will be Thanksgiving. And there are so many things to be thankful for this year. I will always be grateful. I will always be thankful that I have a mentor who pushed me to the limit. If I will go back as an end of my review last 2 weeks ago about seeding, I hope you remember that, to plant a seed. So our mind, ang mga utak natin is just like a garden. Whatever thoughts you plant will grow and shape your reality. So, nourish it, diligan ang ating utak. Don't get mad that we are being pushed because pushing will lead us to our dreams and success. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Ping Murillo, your sales master from Atomy Atlanta Center. I do hope hindi po itong sermon. This is not a sermon. This is just a sharing for me. But thank you. I was just inspired about this. And let's all be reminded. Let us always be reminded the 3 tools. 8 core, 8 steps to success, and writing our life scenario. I love you all. See you in the Philippines in my journey. Invite me to share my experience with Atomy. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, SM Ping. Wow, palakpakan naman natin si SM Ping. So, combination ng ng feelings kasi ako yung mentor niya. Pero natutuwa ako. Imagine you can actually, only in Atomy that you can do everything that you want. So, you are the most special person here in Atomy. So, kung ano man ang sa pakiramdam mo the best ka na ginagawa mo, gawin mo lang yun paulit-ulit. And then you will find happiness in Atomy. So, it's a combination. Di ko alam kung nagre-reklamo ba si SM Ping na lagi ko siyang pinupush o talagang thankful ba siya. Kasi I have the same feeling to na minsan, ano ba naman itong mga sponsor ko to? Ako na lang lagi. Pero I'm thankful as well to all the leaders, especially the center head of Atomy Atlanta Center na lagi akong pinupush. Hindi nila ako bino-volunteer. Bino-voluntold nila ako. Oh, you do this, you do the live scenario, you do the product presentation. Na kahit ayaw mong gawin, you have to do it. But that's the only way to be successful. Okay, let me just share my screen. So thank you, SM Ping. I love it. Push. Push natin yan, ha? Okay. Push din natin yung PV, ha? Kami ni SM Ping namimigay na lang ng commission. Okay, do you see my screen? Ayan, o, diba? So, Of course, nung nagsimula, kung ni-reject ko si Atomy, kasi nung una nangangarap lang ako. Ito talagang pangarap lang niya na eventually I'll talk behind that blue ano ba yan? Yung ano sa screen ganyan. And then nagpa-picture lang ako. At the same time, at that time, syempre, dala ko rin si SM Ping papunta sa New Jersey. May picture din siya na may hawak na mic. Feeling namin speaker kami. And then before we know it, the next year, ayan, product presentation. Even though hindi ako perfect na product presenter, okay lang. And then I did a product testimony. Ang maganda sa Atomy, hindi ka naman magsisinungaling. You only share about your honest feedback and review with the products, kung ano talaga yung effect. And then the first time we met Chairman Hangel Park was November 2022. Ito yung part na kasama sa video. So next time na panoorin niyo yung ating company profile, hanapin niyo yung book na yan. Nakamask ako ng black, nandun ako. And then hanapin niyo din yung purple dress na yan, nandun ako. Okay? And especially sa mga nahihiya na mag-attend ng Zoom, even yung Panama Zoom or yung mga Spanish Zoom, nag-a-attend ako niyan kasi nakakakuha ko ng mga techniques, marami akong natututunan, marami akong natututunan strategies, natututunan ko yung ibang culture. So, I think the most important thing is yung attending a success system. So, this company is actually 100%, no, 99% made. So, you are the only one missing yung 1%. So, for the rest of the, ilang minutes bang meron ako? For the rest of the topic, I'll share with you mga lessons learned ko in the last 4 years. Okay? Mistakes and then the Atomy way. I think kailan ko ba to i-present? 2000 April pa. Okay, so lessons learned during the last 4 years kasi I've been here in Atomy for the last 4 years. Una is yung not attending meeting. Okay? Kasi 1 year ako naging member na consumer lang. Sabi ko, my points, akala ko mahirap gawin yung business. Hindi ko rin siya natutunan. Not using the website or app. So that means, kung hindi ka nagla-login sa yung mobile app, kung hindi mo siya tinitingnan, hindi mo siya matututunan. But the app actually, the Atomy app or the Atomy Shop app is a powerful tool kasi nandiyan na lahat yung mga videos about the products, i-click mo lang, matututunan mo na siya. And then there are ways to share it easy sa mga members mo. Okay. And then the third one is not using and trusting the product. So in my first year of doing the business, it's actually hard to share the Atomy kasi ang dami kong pimples at that time eh. So hindi ko ma-promote yung beauty products. Pero this time, mas napopromote ko na siya. Kasi after using the products, talagang mapapabilib ka at mai-in-love ka, lalo na sa Atomy Evening Care Set, Absolute Skin Care Set. You'll know it once you use it. Okay? So, success system, it includes one-day seminars sa Pilipinas every Thursday. Via Facebook, via YouTube, ayan. Or kung malapit sa pick-up center sa Quezon City or dun sa mga announced na regions, make sure mag-attend po. Ito lang ang gagawin talaga natin sa Atomy. You open your mouth, you invite them. So the more you invite, syempre, the more na mag-grow yung business mo. We have global seminars. So for our team, under the North Carolina Global Center, our global English seminar is every Monday. At this time with the daylight saving time, it's every Monday, 7 a.m. Okay. Sorry. Every second Monday of the month, 7 a.m. Then we have center meeting like this for Marinduque Global Center. It's every Tuesday, 7:30. And then eventually mag-change tayo ng 7 p.m. And then online seminar, we have every Saturday, 8 p.m. with Vision to Reality. And then you can also do one-on-one kung gusto niyo magpa-one-on-one sa akin, sa inyong sponsors, sa mga sales masters under my team. You can also do that. And then we also have a Success Academy. So yung mga pictures na nakita niyo with SM Ping kanina, at saka yung pictures na sinare ko, that's the Success Academy. So this month, we will have it sa Cebu, I think. Okay? Diyan sa Pilipinas. And here in America, we will have it in Florida. So, abangan nyo. If you have not seen the website, this is atomy.com/US. And then you click here sa right upper corner, dyan yung makikita yung 27 regions na meron tayo. Within Europe, you have 31 countries. So, make sure i-browse nyo kung ano yung mga promos. Kasi this month alone sa Philippines, meron mga buy 4 plus 1. Ang laking savings, okay? Dati meron kayong Atomy Absolute Skincare Set plus Evening Care 4 Set. Wow, napaka-generous ng mga offers or mga promos natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Of course, shopping mall, my office, you don't have to worry about counting the points. Automatic yan. Titingnan mo na lang kung nag-commission ka ba or hindi. Sinong i-follow up mo. Things like that. So, first thing in the morning, after praying, make sure you look at your app. So, kung hindi pa kayo nag-download ng app, ito po yung itsura ng app. Okay? Ano ba tawag dito? Hamburger. Kapag nakikita yung word na login, that means hindi kayo naka-login. So imagine this. The compensation plan is there. The seminar and education schedule is there. And then yung channel Atomy na tinatawag is yung mga videos. Okay? Nandyan yung mga presentations during the one-day seminar, Success Academy. And of course, yung customer support. If you guys have any questions, nandun din sa mga Q&A. Pag clinic nyo tong hamburger sa kaliwa, marami kayong makikita dyan. And then shopping mall is where you find different products, daily essentials. Kasi we are offering pang-araw-araw na ginagamit sa bahay. Okay? So kung nagtututbrush kayo, naglalaba, nagkakape, nagsha-shampoo, naglo-lotion, may business ka. Kasi yun lang naman yung ino-offer natin sa Atomy. And then ang maganda is, it has maganda yung kalidad. Ito yung bagong app, okay? The Atomy Shop. So eventually, we will have this app. So I think by the end of this year, US will transition to this. Mas mas makikita mo kung ilan na ba yung downlines mo, ilan yung points mo. Ayan, ito yung sa akin. Downline, 2,200. Ngayon, less than 2,000. Marami nang na-expire. Kasi hindi bumili ng isang product per year. Okay, so yan yung isang app na you can download and then you can see your account via Europe, Singapore, at saka Korea. Gantong itsura na makikita mo. So yung mga members na malapit na mag-expire, mas madaling makita using this app. Okay. Anong ino-offer ni Atomy? Like what I've said, daily necessities, pang-araw-araw na ginagamit sa ating tahanan. And ang product philosophy is absolute quality and absolute price. So, napakaganda ng kalidad, pero presyong pangmasa. We have the prestige strategy. Kaya sustainable yung business natin. Kung yung iba sinasabi na mahal si Atomy, actually kung i-compare nyo sa current brand nyo, mas mura si Atomy kasi you will not find another brand na ganito kaganda yung kalidad and yet napaka-affordable. Okay. So looking back in the past, ayan di ba? Pero that's why I love the products kasi medyo maganda na ako ngayon. Di ba? Another mistake na natutunan ko is yung maling binary. Okay, kasi for not attending or not asking somebody to mentor me, hindi nagtanong, feeling ko alam ko na lahat. So, ang dami ko naging mali. Yan. So, make sure, ang natutunan ko, you go straight and deep, okay? Huwag mamigay ng tao sa iba. Don't build their business. So, if they're not doing the business, don't force them. Kasi nung una feeling ko, gusto ko rin mag-commission yung brother ko, nanay ko, pinamimigay ko yung mga recruit ko, which is mali. Dapat, kung recruit mo, you just go straight left and right. Kasi nga, networking to, no? Make sure na pagsama-samahin yung magkakasama, like isang community, isang line lang sila, magkakapamilya, isang line lang sila. And there's a reason behind it. Kasi kapag ka nagkahiwa-hiwalay, it would feel like they're competing with each other or yung support na nagkakainggitan, things like that. Pero kung magkakasama isang community, imagine kahit sa dulong-dulo ka lang bumili, you're helping everybody. Okay? You're missing the opportunity kapag hindi nag-a-attend ng Zoom kasi minsan may mga announcement na nami-miss. Sabi ko, ano kayang announcement yan? Yun pala, kasi nag-leave ako sa chat group, merong announcement about the Auto Sales Masterclass. At that time, that class is very important. So, na-miss ko yung unang class kasi hindi ako nagbabasa ng mga announcement. And that class is actually how to earn 50,000 pesos in 15 days. So yun yung unang opportunity na na-miss ko at that time. Sabi ko, ano kayo pinag-uusapan nila? And then eventually, when I got interested kasi I love the products, yun, saka pa lang ako nag-join. Diba? And then another mistake is my first negative reaction with MLM. Kasi lahat naman tayo, di ba? Almost all Filipinos, basta marinig na MLM is ano na, pasong-paso na, di ba? Ayaw na. Kasi nga, naglalabas ng puhunan. Which is different kasi Atomy is very righteous. Okay? The membership is free. We will not force you to buy anything that you don't need. So you only buy what you need. And you have to validate or verify your account kasi this is the only way for the company to pay you back through a cashback and commission. If you have not meet our righteous chairman, si Chairman Hangil Park, make sure you go back sa channel Atomy or sa YouTube. Panoorin yung story niya kasi he's just a dreamer. Imagine, 17 members at that time nung nagsimula, wala pa tayong Orot Hall, wala pa tayong Atomy Park. At that time, nangangarap lang siya na he will become global, he will provide customer success, we will become global, and we will be #1 company in the future. Ano lang, that's his vision at this time. And then he said, with one global server, we will be the prestigious global distributor in the world na #1. So, ang maganda, kahit nandiyan ka sa Pilipinas, andito ako sa US, we can have different consumers na galing sa ibang bansa. From that vision of the chairman, imagine, meron na tayong 13 Imperial Masters. And then, ito yung isa nung nagpunta kami sa Korea Success Tour. He made a discussion about dun sa binary. So, driving the depth and then you just fire up from the bottom. So, nun ko na-realize then, or part na na-realize ko, that you really have to go straight and deep. Kasi whatever your effort, kung ikaw to, you just go down, down, down kasi parang pinamimigay mo rin lang yung members mo, tulong sa iba. And then, each time na bumibili ka lang sa account mo once a year kasi di ba may ceiling yung mga points, if you need additional points, you just put it at the bottom, helping those people. So hopefully, makita rin nila yung vision ng company and then if they do it as a business, mas madali na. Libre, walang puhunan, walang monthly maintenance, walang automatic purchases, walang capital required. But if you don't change your mindset that you own this billion-dollar business, what will happen to you? Wala, nga, diba? Pero if naniniwala ka na business mo to, will you do the same thing you're doing sa 9-to-5 job mo? When I change my mindset na this is my business, wow, I need to take care of my business. At least I have to log into my account, look at my people, follow up the members, and then of course I have to do my own marketing, share my own experience. So you have to take care of your own business. And then the last lesson learned is yung I really thought that I have to sell. Although in the Philippines, allowed po ang direct selling. Yan ang isa sa mga I would say characteristics ng Pilipino na gusto nila may product kaagad muna. hindi maalis. So, even though I don't like selling, in the beginning, I have to do it kind of like that way kasi para maipaabot ko yung products at para matry nila. Hindi naman pwedeng bigay ng bigay. Although nung una namimigay ako. Kaya lang, on the second year, kung mamimigay pa rin ako, tapos hindi pa rin sila nagsusupport, parang okay, it's time to move on and then find another consumers, diba? Pero it's actually not about selling in Atomy. It's just about sharing. Sharing the information you know about Atomy, sharing about the best products that you have tried in Atomy, sharing about your great experiences. Kasi kung nagustuhan mo yung produkto, like the toothpaste, di ba? Walang panis na laway sa umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo siya, you just have to share it to all your loved ones. Although, most of the family members at saka yung mga kaibigan mo, sila yung unang-unang nagre-reject. But hindi lang naman sila yung tao sa mundo. Share it to someone else. Share it to somebody. And you will change someone's lives in the future. You will touch someone's lives in the future. Okay? Like me and SM Pink. Si SM Pink, sus ko, 2 rejection din ako dyan. So, anong ginawa ko? Binigyan ko lang siya ng himuhim. Sabi ko, try this. Baka makatulong sa'yo. And then I gave him a toothbrush and a toothpaste. Sabi ko, oh, please try this. Kung bukas may panis na laway, katawagan mo ako. I bet it would help you. O, di ba? Lahat naman nagtutoothbrush, nagtutoothpaste. At that time, hindi pa rin ako ganun. Nagsisimula pa lang ako. Actually, ano ba yun? Magba-Valentine's Day. Kaka-sales master ko pa lang. I just know about the points, the point value, kung paano mag-commission at that time. But hindi pa ako 100% invested na eto pala yung si Atomy. Oh, ang management philosophy pala ng Atomy is from the Bible. Things like that. Hindi ko pa rin yun alam at that time. So, isa pa is if you're doing this as a business, ang maganda is you can actually pause if you want to pause. If you don't want to do it, it's okay. But the thing is, if you want to be successful in doing this as a business, hindi pwede yung ningas kugon. Kasi the chairman is serious when he said, do the work in the first 3 months, be a sales master, be a diamond master, just keep doing it. And then eventually you'll get the passive income. Passive income means natutulog ka pagising mo may income. And I followed our chairman. Each time na nadi-dishearten ako, nare-reject ng mga kaibigan, I will just go back and watch our chairman. Okay? At panoorin yung kanyang mga pinagsasabi. And then, kasi nung nagsisimula, I know how to become a sales master kasi yun lang yung challenge na you just do it by points. Hindi mo kailangang mag-build ng leaders. But going to the next mastership level, you have to bring your team to success. Okay? So, ganun lang. Paulit-ulit lang. And then tama naman yung sinabi ni chairman na you cannot do this alone. It should be a teamwork effort. So this business is an education business, it's a promotion business, and it's also a teamwork business. Nag-ulit-ulit na ba ako? Okay. So yun. So Atomy business, this is all about sharing the goodness of all the products. Our chairman even created this challenge. The Go and Meet 100 daily, the Peng Manga, whatever. Go and meet sa akin, ginagawa ko. Go and meet 100 faces per day. Kasi mas maganda pa rin yung face-to-face. Mas maganda nga gawin yung business dyan sa Pilipinas kasi open. Hindi ka itatawag ng pulis or ihahabla na nandun ka sa community nila na merong nagne-network kasi bawal yun dito. But then sa Philippines, all the Filipinos love to smile. Mahilig sa sa marites, o diba? So i-marites natin si Atomy. Okay? So nung nagsisimula, this is me and SM Ping and DM Junie. I have met a sales master from Singapore, SM Bilen. SM Glenn, kaibigan ng brother ko, although my brother is not 100% actively doing it as a business. Shinare niya si SM Glenn and he's now a sales master. SM Ping, SM Belen, SM Sandra. This is Mom Leticia from a Spanish group. And then Star Master Teresa. So this is just one of those you can take actions, okay? You create your binary, you start with $20 commission, and we will go that in the future. Or you can do with the same effort, you can have a $60 commission. So it's up to you. Do you want to receive it daily or 2,400 pesos sa Pilipinas? Do you want to receive it at least once a week, every 2 weeks, once a month? Nasa sa inyo po. But on a daily basis, you can actually receive this with your effort, except Sunday kasi wala tayo transaction on Sunday. So you can plan your purchases, pwedeng mag-backtake kapag Sunday ka mamimili, pwede mong ilagay ng Saturday or Monday. And you would learn that in the future. We have equal opportunity. This is actually the equal opportunity. Sabi ng iba, napaka-imposible naman yan. Well, nangyayari na po yan. We have 13 Imperial Masters at this time na kumikita malapit na kumikita dyan, 50 to 100,000. And then I suppose we have third generation inheritance. So, ipapamana mo ba yung account mo without the passive income? Kasi for life, you will have your residual bills, okay? May bayad sa renta, sa electric bill, lahat na. But with the Atomy, pwedeng ipamana hanggang sa apo. Okay, general commission, just a quick overview. Ganito yung pairing, okay? Every 24 hours, yung Atomy app natin, nagka-count siya. So, each time na makita niya sa system, kung nag-pair, the system will give you a cashback. So, agent means you have to have at least 300,000 point value. So, after you try the products, nung una lesson tayo about ride the bus. You buy, you use, and you share. And then, last week, we did learn the bus, be active in Zoom. We have unlimited information online. And then you know your support system or the success system. This time, driving your own business, you have to know your why. Okay? For me, I'm just grateful about this company. I'm grateful about the Himuhim. Earlier, nagdi-drip pa yung nose ko. Sabi ko, bakit ba post nasal drip na naman ako? I forgot to take my Himuhim. So, I know I would be helping a lot of people kung isi-share ko si Himuhim. As a nurse, kung may ma-reject ka nila, just move on to the next person. I bet maraming nangangailangan ng tulong. To be successful, we have to plug into the system and we need to consistently take action. So we just have to take advantage of it, okay? Kung hindi ka mastership climber, you just want to be a consumer na may cashback, it's fine. If you just want to be here and there na mag-commission, it's fine. Just set your goal. Anong gusto mo sa financial income, okay? Auto Sales Master get about $2,000 to $4,000. Diamond Master, $4,000. Sharon Rose Master, $10,000 monthly income on average. But even as a sales master, with an income of 100,000 pesos per month, would that not be enough for you to retire sa Pilipinas as a passive income? That's why it's more fun doing Atomy because it's the easiest job you can find out there. Yung 10% na mastership bonus, this is actually about $450 every 15 days. So why not? Diba? So, tools to success, i-reiterate ko lang, kasi minention to ni SM kanina, life scenario, we have the success system, do your 8 core daily habits, and then we have the 8 steps to success. Paulit-ulit ang ating training. We try for our training to be more interactive, and hopefully we will become an Imperial Master in the future. Right now, we have 13, and I'm thankful I was able to meet 5 of them already. I think, yes, 5. So, yan, o, diba? Sponsor number 1, he was just here last month. Imagine, number 1, pero hindi siya yung unang-una naging Imperial. So, that's fair. And be part of the Leaders Club. Okay, I got my pin as an Auto Sales Master Club in June 2022. I finished the challenge in May 1 to 15 challenge. So, to become an Auto Sales Master, you just need to become Sales Master 12 times in the last 12 months. But you have 24 times chances. Okay? Diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Our Star Master Joseph Ann and Teresa Ann, part na sila ng Leaders Club. Our Royal Master Yusuk Song, part ng Royal Leaders Club, $200,000 annually income. Our Crown Master Jason Shim, andito na siya as a Crown Master, $400,000. So if you guys have a chance, you can visit us here in the US. Of course, I'll sponsor you. Not the ticket, okay? Just the lodging in the house. And I can make you meet them. Okay? Our slogan for this year is be excellent or be extreme. Okay? Ano yung be excellent, be extreme? Laging BUS ang aking acronym kung napansin nyo. Okay, bayanihan, that means recognizing the importance of collaboration, support, and solidarity. Okay, so kung ayaw nyo sa akin, it's okay. Just find somebody under you or dun sa team mo. Just work together. Kahit dalawa lang kayo, eventually magiging successful kayo. But to make sure na mas mabilis kayo, learn from the mistakes of the mentors and sponsors. Okay? Umaksyon, to take action. And then, to go forward, sumulong, to advance or move forward, to strive and to follow. So yung BUS ko sa Drive Atomy business is very simple. So yung B is be your own boss. Diba? Be your own boss. And then the second is unleash your passion. Okay? Know your life scenario. Know your why. Do your 8 core. Do your 8 steps. And then last is serve in humility. We will all be successful in doing the Atomy. But let us stay humble to serve others and do the same. Okay, so that ends my presentation and we will close with our company motto. So you are allowed to unmute. Unmute. Okay, company motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go.
Cherish the
Cherish
faith,
the
Create the
create the
vision.
vision,
Follow
follow
the
the
faith.
faith.
Serve in humility. Yan, okay. Everyone, you guys are in Facebook. Say hi to everyone. We will proceed to our second phase, the sharing via Zoom. Kasi minsan hindi ko kaagad ma-filter. So at least, mamimiss nyo yon. So join the Zoom link if you guys wanna hear yung mga strategies and sharing ng mga members. So, bye muna sa mga Facebook viewers. Bye everyone! Welcome! Okay. Ayan, let's do the Imperial Master Smile.
Yay!